Actions speak louder than words. Don't say it, show it. Talk is cheap. Results are proof. Show up. Don't just speak up. Before we jump in, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Actions speak louder than words, meaning people trust what you do, not what you say. Results are greater than promises. In Korean, you can say, 행동이 말보다 더 중요하다. Business example. We promised faster customer support. Actions speak louder than words. So we added weekend coverage and reduced response time from 24 hours to 6. Everyday example. Bruce and Steve vowed to lose weight. Steve just talked about it, while Bruce trained daily and lost 10 kilograms. Proof that actions speak louder than words. If this helped, subscribe and tap the bell. And watch for Wednesday's lesson. You won't want to miss it.